Apply these tips to your affiliate marketing plan. There is so much knowledge out there on the internet about affiliate marketing. Many people think that it is difficult to know what to do. The thing to do is use all the tips you think you can apply to your affiliate marketing endeavors. Here are some tips that you can use for affiliate marketing. Always remember the importance of education. Know the basics of HTML, data feed manipulation, and product design. Bookstores and the internet can serve as wonderful resources for this. Having a good handle on basic affiliate marketing techniques will improve your site, as well as your income potential. Look around for a mentor in affiliate marketing if you are not sure how to approach the business. There are thousands of successful affiliates out there who will lend you advice to get you started. You are not their competition at this point, so most are happy to help out. Check around the blogosphere and find experts in the field. Use direct or deep linking. This means linking directly to the item a consumer is interested in rather than the home page of the company selling it. A prospective buyer is not interested in clicking through multitudes of pages to find what they are looking for. Help ease this process by linking them directly to it. Nothing seems to sell a product quite as well as scarcity. When a customer believes he or she only has a few minutes to get the product at the list price before the deal is no longer available, they're over 3 times as likely to act. Use this technique in your affiliate marketing and make sure you instill a sense of urgency in customers. Affiliate programs differ tremendously in terms of the services and payment structures that they offer. If one program doesn't seem to fit your revenue goals, then consider a different one with a different financial arrangement. Although there are many large affiliate networks, don't forget about the smaller ones as an excellent source of revenue. If you plan on being successful with affiliate marketing, you must select a niche that will generate revenue. When participating in affiliate marketing, you are aiming to make money. Otherwise, you can just create a personal blog about your interests. Therefore, you need to do research to ensure that the niche you pick will be profitable for you. You can help your local businesses advertise their goods, by featuring them through affiliate marketing links on your website. This is a great way to build lasting business relationships that can help you make money, at the same time as keeping business local. Affiliate marketing links are a great way to make some extra cash. Just as stated in the beginning of the video, you have to use what tips you think you can apply to help in your affiliate marketing success. The tips here should be able to help you with your decision making and guide you to the right path. Make sure you apply the advice from the video and you should be on your way to making money in no time. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.